this this is the disconnect so far that I'm seeing. We've had a lower low being made continuously throughout the morning. Obviously, resistance found in the 75 area. And then, we've had a very small pullback to check into the 30-minute support. Still ahead of ourselves a little bit here, but, such a narrow range. You can't read a lot into this, other than obviously we've been overdone and are just pulling back in, trying to find support. Data burn is continuing here. Keep making slightly higher highs and pull back, but the pullbacks have all rotated with a higher low. So it keeps the squeeze on. It's midday. We haven't even had a 5-point range yet. What is that telling us? I don't know. Is it a buyer strike? Could be. Volume. Look at the volume. Come on. I think no matter what, got to look at this. This certainly is the commander-in-chief speaking tonight, and we're not going to allow the market to fall today. That was our first. Let's look for more continued data burn. Let's assume the low is in, and that we were pushing long side. That was what we said. Unfortunately, that's just been a very small grinding type behavior. We said let's look at the 30 as support. Maybe the low is in already, we said, right? Look for the rotations, higher highs. I said look for us to test the 16, 17, and if we can get by that, we know we've got targets above that. And so far, this one trap bar here, short's got the first 20 minutes, and that's been it. After the first 20 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Came out smoking with this one bar, and then everything has been chop higher. Angels and demons. We said be very careful about thinking too much to the short side today. If we're looking at that megaphone pattern, low has been hit. Probably the low is in for the day, and is going to want to push and see if they can, bump into stops.